I'm Russ Heaps, and today I'm in Taylors, South Carolina. I'm at a house that's getting pressure washed. And in this segment, we're going to talk to Dave Nystrom. He's got quite the little cottage industry going, pressure washing houses. And he's going to tell us just 3 things we need to know about doing it.
Hi, my name's Dave Nystrom. Today I'm here to tell you some things about pressure washing your houses. It's a job that you can do on your own. You don't have to get somebody to do it, but you have to have 3 important things. First is the right equipment. You need a pressure washer. I recommend one of about 3,000 PSIs. You have your hand wand, which you can utilize, and then you have an 18-foot extension wand, which you can reach higher elevations with. And then you have a brush that you can tend to your sidewalks and other areas of concrete. When you start with this, be careful, because you have to have number 2, the next thing, water and whatever cleaning supplies you need. When utilizing the cleaning supplies, I recommend that you always start at the lower levels and spraying on your cleaning areas. If you spray high, the chemicals run and they can cause stains and you complicate things. The third and final thing that you need for pressure washing is a nice, sunny, warm day.
And there you have it. Just 3 things you need to know about pressure washing a house. See you next time.